So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head it with search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna find your network adapter. Make sure that you do not have it on disabled. Make sure that you have it enabled. In my case, it's been disabled, so now I'm gonna right click on it and then click on enable. It's now gonna enable it. See if that works for you. If it was already enabled for you, then for the second method, you're gonna double click on it and then click on properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have both these default options selected, so obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. You're going to select both these default options and then click on OK. See if that works. Now for the next method, you're going to hit it with search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems on your network, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. Now for the last method, you're going to hit it with search again and type in CMD. Now you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. Now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.